Am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
you are audible.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I am Amitabh Acharya, co-founder of Passionate Entrepreneur Group. Welcome all the participants today at our webinar session on startup and entrepreneur ecosystem. Today we have Mr. Anand Rao, the CEO of Uptalent India Communication Limited, based in Mumbai. He is a person from diverse experience background. He is from domain of insurance and training, and he's from Mumbai, and he's been in 19 years in the industry for training and consultancy purposes. Right now, he's the founder of two companies and board of three other organizations. One is Maxis India Communication and Insurance Group. Other is Uptalent. And right now, he is also MBA from Wellinger Institute of Management, Mumbai. Plus, he is also associate of Insurance Institute of India from Mumbai. Let me warmly welcome you, sir, in this platform of Passionate Entrepreneurs, which is a 1,000-strong community across India. We are welcoming every participant with rich, diversified experience, and I warmly welcome each one of you that please, listen to him for his initial talk. We have certain ground rules. I expect that everyone will, keep note of things which is been shown in the slides. Other thing is that we will have question and answer sessions after session of Mr. Anand Rao is over. Any kind of questions are there in mind, keep it for the end discussion. And also, we'll have a couple of moderators, Mr. Deepak, to engage the sessions and the audio and video link. I welcome all the people from my heart, and also I believe that we will have a good audience today and we'll make it success. I introduce Mr. Anand Rao to lead the session henceforward. Mr. Anand Rao, please.
Thank you, Amitabh. I hope I'm audible to everyone.
Yeah, audible.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank
you
you.
are.
You're out.
Thank you. I think it's a very good platform to speak on, and thanks for this unstoppable passion. We are going to be the passion and right. So I'm going to speak on some certain strategy. Most of you are from industry. Some people are working in different kinds of various industry. I hope I'm going to add some value to you. I would appreciate all the a lot of online online kind of thing. Pharmaceutical products again is again going to be hot selling, and it's going to go further. Dairy products, absolutely, we are all having coffees on a daily basis. We are having tea, coffee, cheese, paneer, pata, whatever you call on the dairy product is going to be the hot selling again. FMCG, I'm talking about grocery related, absolutely. Again, I'm giving an example of DMart. DMart was the only store which actually was providing this FMCG. I'm talking about grocery and other things online. So people, they have in fact, if you look at the revenue chart of DMart, they have in fact scaled up very nicely, right? And then health related products, absolutely, because people are talking about immune system has to go up and things like that. Or again, health related, people who have associated with sanitizer making, somebody who's into an alcohol kind of a business, they will definitely grow up. It's a big opportunity fund of them, right? If you're talking about online, digital is something very good. If you look at education business, it's getting online, right? If you look at any application, apps business, again, it's going to be very crucial. Anything. So that's a very job opening for all of us. It's going to be a growth opportunity for a startup if somebody is doing an online. Now, for example, if you talk about education is getting online, and children's toys, again, there is an opportunity for them. Children toys is going to be again a hot selling, because people are going online, and slowly this television industry will slowly come down, and IT and online will going to be dominating the whole story, right? So if you look at the next slide, I've tried to capture some slides out of it. High exposure zone. High exposure means how COVID has hit badly this industry. That is what we are going to show it, right? I'm sure Deepak is going to share the slides later. I'm not going to go deep into it, but if you look at a red, orange, and a green zone, what is called as a contaminated zone and safety kind of a thing. So it's clearly given that low exposure zone. I would just request everybody to be on silent, please. Thank you. Low exposure zone, if you look at it, pharmaceutical, real estate, food retail, telecoms, waste management, or construction, all these have been not affected much as compared to other zones. But if you look at airlines, lodging, again, I was talking about the industry which got affected. A lot of gaming industry has gone through. Again, moderately exposed was beverages, chemicals, manufacturing, media. They were not very much highly this. But when I look at the graph which was taken from February 16 to March 16, if you look at the industry-wide growth, The telecommunication was the least to suffer as compared to the oil and gas. There's a graph statistics given, So if you look at technology, utilities, healthcare, all have made money, but they have moderately made money. They have not made very, very great money, but they have definitely suffered on the business because of this lockdown. People have really come down on the spending habits. The spending habits, people are really very, very clear on what to spend. If you look at a Domino's pizza, that's gone back, right? If you look at all the items which was kept in the DMart or somewhere, essential, apart from essential products, it's all come back. So basic material, financial industry also has really actually suffered. I'm not going to get into too much of any specific industry because that's going to really open a debate kind of a thing. Of course, we will definitely see it in the last how we can able to work on it, right? Now, if you look at challenges for an entrepreneur. Now look at this. There's a guy called as Kubler-Ross. Kubler-Ross ने एक मॉडल बनाया था, बहुत जबरदस्त मॉडल बनाया था. उसमें वो क्या बोलते हैं कि जब भी कोई लफड़ा होता है, कभी भी कोई लफड़ा होता है, कोई एक्सीडेंट होता है, कोई डिजास्टर होता है ना, तो आदमी 5 स्टेजेस में जाता है. 5 स्टेजेस में people go. When there is a disaster, there's an accident, there is a tragedy, and this is a very, very, very uncomprehensive tragedy. COVID को कोई prepare नहीं किया था कि आएगा, हमको लेके जाएगा. Whenever there is this kind of a situation, people come across 5 different stages. The first one is called as denial. जब भी ऐसा कुछ होता है तो लोग डिनाई करते हैं कि इसमें तो बॉम्बे में तो कुछ नहीं होगा, कोलकाता में तो कुछ नहीं होगा, हरियाणा में तो कुछ नहीं होगा, इंडिया में कुछ नहीं होगा क्योंकि कंट्री बहुत गर्म है, ठंडी इसमें मौसम में होगा. तो पीपल स्टार्टेड डिनाइंग इन द फर्स्ट स्टेज. तो जैसे ये स्टेज पास हुआ, people started getting frustrated. Frustrated means what? Anger हो गया, ज्यादा एंगर बढ़ गया कि मैंने तो कुछ सोचा था, कुछ और हो गया, तो गुस्सा आ गया. नौकरी पे प्रॉब्लम आ गया, बिजनेस में प्रॉब्लम आ गया, लॉस होना चालू हो गया, गुस्सा होना चालू हो गया. Then people started bargaining. Third stage is bargaining. Bargaining बोलने लग गया कि अरे ऐसा तो गड़बड़ है, लॉकडाउन होना नहीं चाहिए, मोदी साहब गलत कर रहे हैं, how can they can close the offices, how can industry works, how can WhatsApp में लगे हैं, सोशल मीडिया में लगे हैं, दुनिया भर का अपडेट कर रहे हैं, है ना. वो भी काम नहीं हुआ तो fourth stage becomes depression. Struggling to find a meaning, reaching out to others, telling anybody stories. मतलब they are just trying to take some time out of it. तो कुछ लोग अभी भी आत्मा बन के बैठे अपने इंडस्ट्री में. बहुत सारे लोग आत्मा बन के बैठे हैं कि सर जब आएगा तो देख लेंगे, बाद में देख लेंगे. But there are only few people among us. I'm sure this entire group will agree with me that acceptance is very, very important. We have to accept what it is. अपना दिमाग नहीं लगाते हुए इसको accept करके काम करना चालू करना चाहिए. Correct? Now the very first day when the lockdown was actually announced on 22nd of March, 24th of March, I'm not sure what date, but 22nd of the March was the right thing. I immediately transformed myself into ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, वेबिनार, ये सब मैं करना चालू कर दिया. मेरा धंधे को मैंने कभी बंद नहीं किया बिकॉज आई एक्सेप्टेड थिंग्स. आई स्टार्टेड एक्सप्लोरिंग न्यू ऑप्शंस, न्यू प्लान्स, स्टार्टेड मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. मैं रोक के बैठता था तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. If I get anger, if I get bargain, if I do depression, what nothing is going to happen. My family is going to either way suffer और ज्यादा सफर होगा. उससे अच्छा एक्सेप्ट करके आगे जाने का. And what kind of challenges we are facing as an entrepreneur or as a startup or a new company or as an old company? What are we finding? We are finding very hard to find customers. Customer नहीं मिल रहे, prospecting नहीं हो रहा है, लोगों से जाके मिलना नहीं हो रहा है. People are avoiding because of the direct sales is not happening. देखिए, this COVID-19 has actually given two problems. One is finance and one is sales. Please understand. You have to work only on that. Any action you take today will have a financial reaction. A golden statement इसको लिख के रखिए. Any action you're going to take today is going to have a financial reaction. Please understand, my dear friends. So finding a customer is going to really hit your bottom line. I'm telling you, finding a customer is going to really hit on the business part. So that's important. So that is a challenge. I'll tell you what we can do. Number 2, expense ज्यादा हो रहा है, finance management समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, cash flow रुक गया, पैसा नहीं है, लोगों को पगार देना है, माल नहीं आया, कैसे मैन्युफैक्चर करना है. All these things is going to be a bigger challenge now. Staff management, बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं स्टाफ लोग को रखना है, नहीं रखना है, उनको उड़ा देना है, 50% पे रखना है. We are going to really work on the cost part, how we are going to give the salaries, how are we going to give the bonus, appraisals, all these things are going to be staff management. Lot of people are missing on maintaining online presence. That is called as digital marketing. I'm going to talk on digital marketing more in detail. एंड अगर आप स्टार्टअप हो, नया वेंचर कुछ चालू कर रहे हो, तो आई एम श्योर यू आर वर्किंग ऑन द फंडिंग पार्ट, विच मोस्ट ऑफ यू कैन, अपने ग्रुप बनाया इसी के लिए, वी कैन ऑलवेज टेक अ हेल्प ऑफ ईच अदर. या so far I am clear? If I'm clear, just type yes please. Thank you. If you are able to understand and if you are on the same page what I am, please type either yes or clear. Thank you. Amitabh, you can just text a message if you want.
Yeah, sure.
I hope everything is clear, right, so far?
Yeah,
am I
right.
not going very fast, right?
We'll have a
Because
session later on.
Because ji,
So you're perfect. Your speed is perfect and we understanding the right way, sir.
absolute. Thank you. I'm just taking a feedback so that I can correct myself in case if I'm going a little fast. Thank you. So these are the challenges. Now I'm going to give you some mantra. Please understand. आप लोग को खुद का मंत्रा तो मालूम होगा, सक्सेस का मंत्रा मालूम है, but strategically I have tried some mantra which has really helped me out. I'm going to give you a beautiful formula how to come out of this situation and start getting into a regular mode. Yeah. See, always remember, दो चीज को संभाल के रखना, एक हो गया माइंडसेट और एक हो गया स्किल सेट. इफ यू गॉट माइंडसेट एंड स्किल सेट टुगेदर, आई एम श्योर आपका सक्सेस किधर भी नहीं जाएगा. बिलीव मी. एंड व्हाट इज माइंडसेट? इज व्हाट यू टॉक after a situation comes. What you talk is your mindset. If you're going to say today is going to be a bad day, it's your mindset. Today is going to be a wonderful day, it's going to be its mindset. Today you say that I'm going to talk to 100 people on a webinar, that's your mindset. That's the strategy, that's the energy we're talking about. लेकिन सिर्फ mindset रह के नहीं होगा, it has to go parallel with your skill set. I should know what I should talk on a webinar. Just by telling that I'm going to speak to 100 people, it's not going to help me. I'm going to have a mindset as well as a skill set. I should know what to talk, how to talk, where it has to trigger the right kind of things I need to really pop up. That's very, very important. I need to have the right people also with me. Like right now I have Deepak, Ritesh, Amitabh, all are terrific people. They have been trying hard to get people around so that this mindset and skill set goes together. That's very, very important. और mindset के लिए मैं एक हमेशा बात बोलता हूँ. देखिए, if an egg is broken by an outside force, somebody is pushing you hard, somebody is influencing you, the life will end. I can guarantee you, the life will end. If an egg is broken by an inside force, आप खुद ही उठते हो, खुद ही जागते हो, खुद ही भागते हो, खुद ही काम करते हो, I'm sure life actually becomes great. Yeah, great things always begin from inside. Look at this. When you are broken from outside, you don't do much challenges. You can just replicate it. You can just follow it. और कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. Push करना पड़ेगा. आज मैं बोलूंगा आपका इंडस्ट्री अच्छा होगा. It's not of use. But आपको खुद को लगेगा कि नहीं, this industry is going to really boom on. Yes, that's going to be that. Absolutely. So you have to be very, very clear. आप अपने कंपनी के चीफ एनर्जी ऑफिसर हो, आप अपने कंपनी के चीफ रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफिसर हो. Absolutely, Deepak. So you have to break in within. Do ask that question, that how do I break? Why should I require a motivation or external force to be pushed? Can I do everything on my own? If yes, then how? देखिए, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूं, mentally strong people don't limit themselves. Mentally strong people don't limit. But how do you do it? Is basically you have to come out of your comfort zone. रॉबिन शर्मा का बहुत फेमस कोट है. रॉबिन शर्मा बोलता है, वर्ल्ड क्लास begins where your comfort zone ends. So if I'm doing what is convenient and comfortable to me today, I am going to achieve what is not comfortable to me. I can guarantee you. आज अगर आप कंफर्टेबली काम कर रहे हो तो आगे अनकंफर्टेबल है. See, whatever we do today is an experience or is the result of what we have done in the past. So what you're going to do today is going to help you for tomorrow. So my dear friends, get up fast and start looking at a different strategy where we have to really, I'm going to give you a book also. Last में मैं आपको एक book का नाम दूंगा. I'm going to give you some tools which will help you to really get out of the comfort zone. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So stay with me for the last. So mentally strong people don't limit themselves, right? And fight to link everything to your goals. I can see that in Vikas ji. I'm sorry I'm quoting Vikas ji because I really like that way which he presents. विकास जी क्या करते हैं, हर जगह में अपना गोल को ऐड कर लेते हैं. बहुत बढ़िया है. फाइट टू लिंक everything to your goals. Every time you do something, Whether you are writing a book, whether you're reading a book, whether you are trying to talk to somebody, whether you're giving an explanation to somebody, whether you are on a webinar, whether you are doing some kind of job or somewhere, you have to fight to link everything to your goal. अगर आप वो काम कर रहे हो जो आपकी गोल तक लेके नहीं जा रहे हो तो आप टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो. Very very simple. If you are not fighting to link everything to your goal, you are doing something which is not important for you. So this webinar is actually going to be important for you. You have to decide how you're going to fight to link, right? Very very important. दूसरा देखिए बहुत important है. You have to be PhD. I'm not talking about any big degree or anything like. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि PhD होना चाहिए और हमारे जैसे लोगों को तो PhD चाहिए. PhD का मतलब कि आप सुन के हैरान हो जाओगे. What is P? P stands for passion. Passion. आप कुछ भी काम करते हो, whether you are in a dairy industry, whether you are in a financial market, whether you are in maybe you are in furniture market, whether in information technology industry, whether you are in any business, it doesn't matter. You have to have that passion of working. तो जो भी इंडस्ट्री आपने चुना है, जैसा अभी मैं इंश्योरेंस में पढ़ाता हूँ, मुझे मजा आता है. बल्कि इंश्योरेंस इज अ वेरी ड्राई सब्जेक्ट. पीपल डोंट लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट इंश्योरेंस, स्पेशली एट दिस लॉकडाउन पीरियड. पीपल डोंट वांट, बट दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So passion is something you do again and again and again and again and again without a guarantee of return. तो अगर आपके पास कोई रिटर्न का गारंटी नहीं, उसके बावजूद भी आप करते हो, that is passion. For example, Sachin Tendulkar practices for 18 hours. Sorry, 15 to 18 hours वो प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, जबकि सब लोग छोड़ देते हैं. ग्राउंड छोड़ के जाने के बाद भी सचिन तेंदुलकर keeps on practicing. That is the passion he talks about. आज भी मॉर्निंग में, everyday morning he gets up at 4:30. He goes to Karnala Panvel ground. He starts practicing with his son. Now that is called as passion. He knows every bit of the corner of that. So that's very very important. But सिर्फ passion से काम नहीं होने वाला है. There should be an habit which is done. Believe me, for achieving any challenge, for countering any challenge, for reaching any goals, you need to change your habit, current habit. Maybe good habits. You can say that we are talking about reading a new book or learning something new, like attending this kind of a webinar. This is going to really change your mindset, my dear friend. Habits, first you have to develop some habits and then habits will start making you. That's the entire story about it. And सिर्फ habits करने से नहीं होगा, उसके बाद उसको discipline लेके आने का. So that is the PhD formula from my side. PhD. P for passion, H for habits and discipline. एंड डिसिप्लिन में आज आप कितने भी सक्सेसफुल लोगों को देख लो, जब तक वो डिसिप्लिन नहीं है वो सक्सेस नहीं कर पाएंगे, भले वो कितने भी अच्छा है. या सो माय डियर फ्रेंड, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वेदर यू चेंज योर हैबिट्स, वेदर यू आर डिसिप्लिन, वेदर यू चेंज योर पैशन, हाउ डू यू वर्क इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू स्टार्ट चेंजिंग द स्ट्रेटजी. अच्छा, ये सब चीज को स्लोली अडेप्ट होने में तकलीफ होगा. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट अडेप्टिंग न्यू हैबिट्स, न्यू पैशनेट थिंग्स, and discipline होने करेगा, तो you start facing lot of other challenges. People might not like you. People will start trying to impulse for external force from outside. Don't do this, don't do that. लेकिन उसके बावजूद हमने अगर कर दिया, अभी मुझे 8 बजे शुरू करना है तो 8 बजे मुझे शुरू करना है. I cannot wait till 8:15, 8:20, 8:40, 8:50. जब तक आएगा, लोग आएंगे, उसके बाद मैं चालू करूंगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है. It has to start at 8:02, 8:03, 8:04. चालू कर देना, बस सिंपल है. I made a message to Ritesh, बोला चालू कर दे. That is a discipline we are carrying out. और आज तक मेरी ट्रेनिंग में मैं कभी 1 मिनट भी लेट नहीं हुआ है. एंड wherever I give a commitment, we have to keep that. Suppose you say that I am going to come at 4 o'clock, you or your dead body has to reach at there 4 o'clock. वो आदमी भरोसा करेगा. When you give a commitment and you keep that commitment, that person will start looking at it. So everybody, including me, has to ingredient this quality, have this ingredients of passion, habits and discipline. Yeah. उसके बाद the second thing is, whenever we are having a tragedy or a problem, business problem, money problem, financial problem, ये problem, वो problem, लफड़े पे लफड़ा होता है, we have to keep multiplying our confidence. Now what is confidence? What a beautiful definition. इसको लिख के रख लो, छाप दो अपने घर पे. Confidence is the eternal means lifetime. It's a lifetime ability to remain composed. Whatever is the situation, I will not move from what I have decided. Alert and directed in all our thoughts, words and deeds. आपने जो decide किया वो आपके लिए final है. You have to be remaining composed in all the situation, whether you like it or not, but you have to be composed. That is actually the key element an entrepreneur should have it. How can an entrepreneur grow in any situation is because they multiply their confidence in every now and then. So whenever they speak, whenever they think and speak, whenever they behave in a different way, they will have also have fears, they will also have insecurity. देखो ऐसा अगर आपके पास अगर डर नहीं है ना, तो आप नॉर्मल बंदा नहीं हो, आप abnormal हो. डर तो रहना चाहिए, 101% डर रहना चाहिए. If you are having fear, that means you are normal. So confidence is what is an eternal lifetime ability to remain composed, alert, and directed in all our thoughts. Whatever we speak, whatever we say, whatever we think, and what we behave in the situation, because your people will look at you. अगर आपके पास 10-12 employee है, 20 employee है, 100 employee है, so they will start following you based on your confidence. If your confidence is down, you can't do a great thing. पहले accept कर लो, जैसा मैंने बोला है 5वां स्टेज में acceptance आ गया. accept कर लिया तो आपका काम होना चालू होगा. लाइफ का लॉस हो सकता है, पैसा का लॉस हो सकता है, रिलेशनशिप का लॉस हो सकता है, बिजनेस का लॉस हो सकता है. It can be a big loss of of a very great thing, of a friend or something, right? And you have to multiply your confidence. That's very very important. Always remember, अपने को ये लेके चलना है, because ये confidence अगर आपका multiply नहीं हुआ ना, people will start giving you a lot of pressure from the external force. And third one, last one is, you can't build a long-term business with a short-term attitude. What is short-term attitude is, you can't have a shortcut in your business. You can't थोड़ा सा success मिल गया तो you stop looking at a long-term goal, or you don't actually look at a thing at a very longer term. So please, my dear friends, आज के बाद जो भी काम करते हैं हम, whether it is a signing a check or party के साथ एक final deal करते हैं, or you are placing a great order, or you are trying to build some strategy for your company also, you have to look at a long-term vision, not a short-term vision. Yeah, that's very very important. Now most of us ask you that strategy or action plan क्या होना चाहिए. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, see, look at this, you diversify. बहुत लोग मुझे पूछते हैं, सर मेरा इंडस्ट्री में प्रॉब्लम है, there is no much of demand in my industry, what will I do, should I close my I was consulting one company, they said we will expand. Now Epsilon, now my company, if you look at, I'm into insurance training and things like that for Bombay. Now I'm expanding in north, I'm expanding in east, I'm expanding in south. I'm also looking lot of franchisees at Bangalore and Chennai also. So I'm looking at a lot of people to expand, and I'm collaborating with it, connecting with people. I am not competing. Somebody asked me yesterday, day before, that how do we break the competition. I never said I should break it. I'm collaborating with them. मेरे को बैंगलोर में कोई अच्छा बंदा मिल गया, जैसा what Vikas ji is doing, very great. He is collaborating with people. Absolutely, that is going to take you to the next level. So अपना एंटरप्रेन्योर का काम क्या है, अभी करंट इंडस्ट्री नहीं चल रहा तो दूसरा इंडस्ट्री में उड़ी मारो, as simple as that, and expand and collaborate with people who have got more experience and more knowledge. Very very clear on that part, right? Like for example, you can move to something called as mobile apps. You can go and collaborate with some e-commerce expansion kind of a thing. You can do some value addition. You can have a secondary business. Primary business को आप रख के secondary business, जैसे अभी मेरा corporate training is my secondary business. Primary business, I have my insurance domain. Right? I can do a geographic expansion, which I am doing it. I said north, east में सब मैं अपना dealers और franchisee को develop कर रहा हूँ. So that is what is the, you can start doing diversified. Number two, what you can do is actively stay in touch with your customer on social media. Very very important. And I would suggest to do this, you have to move from physical to digital. Stay connected with all your customer. आपके सारे customer के साथ आप connection में रहो. You talk about them different levels. You talk about the existing performance, you talk about the payments, you talk about the delays, you talk about the entire story. They will help you, because your customers are your best well-wishers. They will take you to a different level, and staying connected with them at this point of time is very important. अगर आपको technology नहीं आता तो सीख लो. अगर आपको physical से देखिए, physical market में there is a lot of restrictions, social distancing, और ये mask वगैरह बनाने के बाद क्या हो गया कि there are people who want to avoid you. Though they might be your best customer, though they might be your best people, but then problem is they don't want to talk to you on one-to-one basis. I'm sure most of you are facing this problem also. In my industry, if you look at it, मेरा तो training industry है, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगा नहीं कि लॉकडाउन, इनफैक्ट मैं लॉकडाउन में मैं ज्यादा कमा लिया, because I took a shortcut of physical to digital. That's very, very important. I didn't take a shortcut, I will say, but I took a very important route of changing myself into digital market, which is going to really help you out. You know, there are platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and things like that. So there's no point meeting one to one, because मैं जैसा बोला ना, sales and finance are going to be the badly hit of entire departmental. Otherwise तो अपन manage कर सकते हैं, but sales नहीं रहेगा तो revenue नहीं आएगा, पैसा नहीं रहेगा तो आप काम नहीं कर पाओगे, right? But you have to choose the right social media platform. Understand? You have to look at who is your audience, how can you reach them, right? And what are your goals? आपके goals के साथ alignment हो रहा है कि नहीं? So whether you are in Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, LinkedIn, okay, Instagram or Google Plus, wherever you are trying to do. So look at this. This, I think, I'm sure Deepak is going to share this slide. Amitabh, I think we're going to give them a slide also, right?
Right, sir. Right, sir.
I don't know. Okay. So basically, what platforms is going to really make it? Brand awareness करना है, loyalty करना है, lead generation campaign करना है, या SEO जैसा आपको कुछ करना है. You want to really make your brand more, जैसा आपका website को बड़ा करना है. So everything is given in this kind of thing. So you can choose your right audience, right? And मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, sound आ रहा है ना अमिताभ?
Yes.
Somebody saying no sound. Okay. Entrepreneurs guide to big issues. See, look at this. Now, this is very, very important, very, very crucial, and very, very important for all of us. Look at this. Are my goals well defined? आपका पर्सनल एस्पिरेशन, आपका बिजनेस सस्टेनेबिलिटी, आपका साइज, आपका बिजनेस का साइज, आपका टॉलरेंस ऑफ रिस्क. If your goals are very well aligned, then what is the strategy you're going to look at it? Are you very clear with your definition of business? आप जो बिजनेस में घुसे हो, प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी है, पोटेंशियल है ग्रोथ का, लॉन्ग टर्म ड्यूरेबिलिटी इज देयर, व्हाट इज द ग्रोथ रेट, एंड हाउ कैन आई एग्जीक्यूट द स्ट्रेटजी. तो रिसोर्स क्या है मेरे पास ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर क्या है. मैं देखो सिंपल बता रहा हूं. टुडे इफ यू वांट टू रियली have a great strategy, I always say, understand the burning problem. Your customer is facing some problem, understand that problem and think and give a solution to it. How do I solve the problem? Can he solve the problem without my help? ये क्वेश्चन अपने आप को पूछिए. ये अगर एक गोल्डन स्टेटमेंट, इसको लिख के रखे ना, मैं ट्रेनिंग करने के पहले मैं सोचता हूँ what should be the exact slide I should put it for my people, whether it is entrepreneurs, whether it is leaders, whether it is anybody for that matters, whether it is development officer or whether it is sales manager. I don't bother, but I think about their burning problem. What is the problem they are facing on a day-to-day situation? Can they solve it without my help? Because competitor strength वही है ना, competition दे नहीं पा रहा है और हम दे पा रहे हैं, they will really come back to me. But if I am giving what my competition is offering, I am sure I am going to suffer. So I will always be in competition. And मेरा तो favorite quote है, मैं हर बार बोलता हूँ कि कंपटीशन में भाव कस्टमर का, इनोवेशन में भाव अपना. So if you want to create a great deal of people, always remember, work out of the competition. So how do you work? You have to identify the burning problem. How do I solve it? How do I solve that? And can the customer solve the problem without your help? So that's very, very important. Yeah. And finally, we are coming to the second last slide. Dare to be creative. Now, when you want to really capture the market and you want to always lead from the front and get to be great, people want a creative thing, right? I always talk, what is creative is, basically I talk about new, different, somebody new, different and better. अपने आप को पूछिए कि क्या मैं नया हूं, क्या मैं अलग हूं, क्या मैं अच्छा हूं. Am I new? Am I different? Am I better in this market? This kind of an entrepreneurial challenge, or this kind of a startup. If I'm going a startup, am I different from other people? Am I doing the same business what others are doing? Am I working in a different culture? Am I working better than other people? Am I new to this market? That's very, very important. I'm giving a beautiful example. एक अच्छा example देता हूँ. ये देखिए, ये कौन है? आमिर खान. ये कौन है? आमिर खान. ये कौन है? आमिर खान. Who's this guy? Amir Khan. This guy is Amir Khan. This guy is amazingly Amir Khan. Yes. So all are Amir Khan. Even this is Amir Khan. Okay. Now this actually Tata ka ad mein aaya tha. He had come as a female. This thing. Now what is he doing is he always thinks about three strategically. ये खाली बाहर से नहीं दिखता है अलग, ये खाली बाहर से नहीं दिखता है, ये अंदर से भी पागल है. I am not favoring Amir Khan with due respects to him, but I am not trying to favor anybody. Amir Khan is good or bad. I'm trying to tell you, just to pick up a point, that why he is successful as an actor, as a director, or whatever it is. You know, he's one of the, you can call him as a perfectionist. That's what the industry says. But then he's always looked his own way, and he's always created something which is given to the industry, whether it is an Satyam Vijay Dev, or whether it is a Gajani, or whether it is Dil Chahta Hai, PK. To talk about any of his movies, all wonderful. Lagan was his case study used for IMs. So look at the different kind of strategy we're talking about. So, अगर उसका एक movie आया था, if you remember, this movie was called as Gajani. It was a Telugu movie and a Tamil movie which was then translated to Gajani, right? और जब भी गजनी आया था ना, तो he was like upset. Sorry, वो थोड़ा upset था. He said, यार ये movie चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा मालूम नहीं. How is this going to movie work? Because I have built a body, my concept is different. I have got a problem in this movie, mental memory loss का problem था. So ये सब चल रहा था. 2008 में he was trying to strategize whether should I release it, because Rahman का music was not up to the mark. There was a new actress, Asin was there. So he was all confused. Then he decided I will go by this movie, and he decided I am going to release on 25th, that is Christmas के टाइम पे 2008 में he was going to release. तभी एक और प्रॉब्लम हुआ. देखिए चैलेंज हुआ. हमको तो कोविड का प्रॉब्लम है, इसको तो और प्रॉब्लम है. देखो, रब ने बना दी जोड़ी. शाहरुख खान, you know Shahrukh Khan, right? Shahrukh Khan has got a problem. He's got a problem with Amir Khan. Whatever he does, उसको उंगली करने का आदत है. उसको प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत बढ़िया प्रॉब्लम है. Shahrukh Khan and Amir Khan are always like they show, I don't know how it is, but then Shahrukh Khan said no problem. आमिर खान का मूवी 25th को रिलीज हो रहा है. आई विल रिलीज माय मूवी 2 weeks बिफोर. 12th को मैं रिलीज करूंगा. एंड फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एनी बिग मूवी के पहले मूवी के पहले अगर कुछ आ गया तो देयर माइट बी अ डिफरेंट बॉल गेम, राइट? दे हैव अ डिफरेंट स्ट्रेटजी देयर. बट आमिर खान सेड नो प्रॉब्लम. आमिर खान ने कुछ अलग ही स्ट्रेटजी बना. ही वाज ऑलवेज न्यू, डिफरेंट एंड बेटर. यू नो व्हाट इट डिड? जब भी शाहरुख खान का रब ने बना दी जोड़ी रिलीज हुआ, ही क्रिएटेड अ डिफरेंट kind of a mania, different kind of an environment in the theater. People were going to watch this movie, Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, but they were finding a lot of Gajnis there. Look at this. कितने गजनी दिख रहा था देखो उसको. तो उसने ब्रांडिंग इतना जबरदस्त किया कि उसका फर्स्ट डे कलेक्शन was more than 47 crores. First day collection. That was, I'm talking about advance booking. Advance booking. उसका मूवी देखा भी नहीं. The movie which he was thinking very bad, he took an opportunity and he created a brand and he created a maximum, and this went on to do more than 100 crores. So it was a rock solid movie, and this guy made a lot of money only because strategy. और सब लोगों ने यही हेयर स्टाइल करना चालू कर दिया. After Gajani, he actually became into a different level. Yeah, the 232 crores, correct? If you look at it, it's saying 233 crores for the entire collection. Box office collection बहुत जबरदस्त हुआ. But he got more than what Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi has made it. Yeah, but he made it in a very low budget. That's what somebody correctly said. 45 crores. I'm sure most of you are aware. What my idea here to show is not the statistics. My dynamic says that he was very, very creative. देखिए, माहौल को रख के उसने कुछ अलग एग्जाम्पल सेट किया. हमको भी वही करना है. कोविड-19 आवे, कोविड-19 के बड़े भाई भी आवे, उसके भी बड़े भाई आवे, तो भी we should be very composed, alert, and all these things, right? So we have to be creative. Creative का means, एक बार definition में फिर से देता हूँ. Creating means new, different, and better. Ask yourself whether you are new in this industry, whether you are new, better in this industry, and whether you are different in this industry, right? And finally, last tip I'm going to give to all the entrepreneurs is that give me 1 minute. Is that personal coaching is important. I believe this is very, very important. I have a mentor. I always talk to my mentor on a regular basis. COVID आने के पहले बात किया, COVID आने के बाद किया, अभी भी बात कर रहा हूँ. Because I always believe that, understand this statement. This is very, very important. Now मैंने पहले भी ये बात बोल चुका है कि if you want to get results you have never got. I want to make a big company. I want to really have 3, 4, 5, 6 offices. Before You want to get results you have never got before. You have to do things which you have never done before. So start doing those things. अगर आपने वेबिनार नहीं लिया तो वेबिनार लेना चालू करो. Zoom को नहीं सीखा तो Zoom को सीखो. अगर आपने कुछ नया चीज नहीं किया तो वो करना चालू करो. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about the results. Don't look at the results. Come one by one, one by one, one by one. हो जाएगा, right? Because I believe पर्सनल कोचिंग अगर आप करते हो, पर्सनल दीपक जी बराबर है, पर्सनल कोचिंग करते हो तो आपको मेंटर करने में किसी को फायदा होगा. कोई चैलेंजेस आएगा, कोई स्किल्स में आपको अगर बढ़ाना है, कोई ट्रेनिंग करना है, आपको खुद को ट्रेनिंग करना है या ट्रेनिंग लेना है, देन दैट टाइम इट विल बी वेरी यूजफुल. आपका पर्सनल मोटिवेशन विल ऑलवेज बी देयर, राइट? You are in the business of consulting also. Understand, you are not only business of just doing sales. You are into the business of consulting. You are going to make a lot of careers. You are going to make goals of the people. You are going to make achieve your goals as well as your team members goals. उसके बाद गाइड की बात करते हैं, ग्रोथ की बात करते हैं. अभी तक तो मैंने लीडरशिप की बात नहीं किया. लीडरशिप अगेन इज एन एसेंस ऑफ ऑल द entrepreneurs. अगर entrepreneur should be a great leader to take this organization to the second level, right? So as I promised, I'm going to give you two books, which I said two books. ये दोनों बुक पढ़ना चालू कीजिए. One is The Secret of Leadership by Prakash Iyer. I don't know how many people know this. Prakash Iyer. And two is 177 Mental Toughness Secret of World Class by Steve Siebold. ये बुक को मैं 8-10 बार पढ़ा हूं, फिर भी मैं एक और बार पढ़ता हूं बिकॉज मुझे अच्छा लगता है. It talks about habits. It talks about the general trend, how a classic champion has to be. एक चैंपियन बनने के लिए क्या क्या मेंटल टफनेस प्रोग्राम आपको सीक्रेट चाहिए. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड इफ यू रीड दिस काइंड ऑफ बुक्स, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स लोग ऐसा बुक पढ़ना चालू कर दिया ना, फिर आपको मजा ही आएगा. बट बोरिंग है, बट एक एक पेज पढ़ो, रोज एक एक पेज पढ़ो, आप एक बुक खत्म कर दोगे. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, दिस वाज फ्रॉम माय साइड. या, this was from my side. I hope you enjoyed it. And now we have come to the last stage of question and answer. I think Amitabh will help me out. Amitabh?
Yeah,
That's it from my side.
Another session we had.
Yeah, I think
Hello.
most of you can, yeah. Most of you can ask any
I
questions.
think we can have Deepak ji joining us to park the questions of yeah. The audience is free to ask any question which is we can answer and at the panel.
Right.
Himanshu has joined. Himanshu Ganguly has joined. A lot of new people joined in the seminar. We welcome all of them.
Yeah,
And
I think most of the members have joined today.
You had some comments coming up. Yeah.
So you could also write to me
Indian
directly.
Entrepreneur Group.
You can write to directly write to me on my personal number. Yeah, and you can always mail me in case if you've got a big
all of
thing.
the audience, sir.
Yeah.
Hi, Rahul this side. Am I audible?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes.
Okay. So it was a good session. I'm in business of IT in software industry from Pune. And we are right now facing really like one-to-one communications happening, deals closing one-to-one. When we meet people, deals are not, we are not meeting people and deals are not closing at this moment. And you rightly said that there are opportunities in e-commerce or mobile applications and everything. So
education.
Yeah, of course, in education. So online education, and that we have already worked on that segment as well.
Correct.
But right now we are facing the issue of people are like in terms of psychology, they are not willing to come forward. So if I want to meet someone and I want to close a deal, they are not willing to meet me. Obviously, I may wear a mask, I may take all the precautions, but people are not willing to do that, and obviously that affecting my business, and that affecting even my financiers are not willing to fund more invest in my business.
Correct.
So the session was really very good. The only question is, how do we change this psychology of people, or the mentality of the people who we are going to meet, or whom like we may be interacting in future? Obviously the business is hit by like ages, like we are now 5 years, 10 years back. Now, how to quickly we are motivated. Like
I know.
talking to you, listening to
absolutely.
webinars, we are motivated. We are working. We are daily working on moving forward. But
Correct.
how to motivate those people, those clients, those
Okay.
who are with us?
Okay.
Am I clear on my question?
Yeah, absolutely. I got your point. You are trying to understand that the kind of target audience what you want, they are not favoring your business. They're not able to take you to the next level, right? Maybe you are
Yes.
trying to approach him for some business. They are not able to respond you, or you are not getting the kind of feedback what is required. Now the
Exactly.
question is, Rahul, good question. Most of us are facing this problem because we are in from direct business. We are moving into a digital business, right?
Right.
Now, technically, what you can do is, I know you are spending a lot of money on different levels of apps and a lot of things are happening. But what I'm trying to give you, it might just be a solution. Maybe you can take it, or you can up to leave it up to you. You can't change them because the control is in you. Your control is with you. You can change what you can do, but you can't change what others are doing. And they are in masses. They are not in classes, right? So technically, what you can start doing is them educating them by giving them something free, trying to explore your opportunities to give something free so that they get addicted to. Like what Zoom is doing. Zoom, what they did was they gave a free webinar for 40 minutes.
Yeah, true.
समझ में आया?
Yeah,
40 मिनट देके वो आदत लगा दे साले को. उसके बाद सब लोगों ने 14.99 करके 14 he made a business and now Zoom is making money, isn't it? You know that.
True.
So उसको आदत लगा दिया. अभी जो गांव खेड़े में है, मेरा जो रिश्तेदार है वो भी Zoom में आ रहा है. उसको भी मालूम नहीं, उसको मैं सिखा दिया.
Correct.
लेकिन मैंने अगर 40 मिनट्स फ्री नहीं दिया होता था ना, तो डेफिनेटली मैंने नहीं लिया. अब मैं आपके बता रहा हूं, मैं खुद भी फ्री लिया पहले शुरुआत में. व्हेन आई डिड फॉर माय बिजनेस, आई डिड 4 or 5 सेशन फ्री. आई वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड द एंटायर टेक्निकल. देन आई लाइक्ड इट एंड आई कॉल्ड अप समबडी एंड देन दे सेड ओके बॉस, दिस इज एक कर दो. अब मैं Zoom का हो गया, और मेरे बाद आई रिकमेंडेड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल बिकॉज़ आई लाइक दैट प्रोजेक्ट, आई लाइक द वे व्हिच दे डिड. एंड मैं आप सबको मैं वही सजेस्ट कर रहा हूं कि फ्री पहले कुछ दो. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूं आपकी कॉस्ट वेरिएशन पकड़ के, ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ भी फ्री दे दो कि आपको भी तकलीफ होवे. Get them inducted in that kind of a platform. Let them accustomed with that platform, and then start putting your offer.
Perfect.
I hope Rahul, you got the solution, right?
Yeah. Obviously.
Can I add something for Rahul? अगर
Yeah,
आपकी permission हो तो.
Yeah, Vikas ji, please.
Rahul ji, आपने जो सवाल किया है ना sir, this question is not only for a person like you. It is for every entrepreneur who's small, big, large, huge, medium. What happens sir? जो आपको problem आ रही है उनको अपने आप को साबित करने के लिए right now, because they're not interested in coming back to you and you're not going to meet them and they're not allowing you to meet you. Similarly, they will be having the similar problems with their uplines, with their जिनसे वो business कर रहे हैं.
Correct.
So gradually what will happen is ये धीरे धीरे उनको भी समझ आएगा कि इसके बिना उनका काम नहीं चल.
Vikas ji, you're muted.
विकास जी आप म्यूट हो गए हैं.
I'm sorry. Am I audible now?
Yeah. Please.
What has happened is sir, जब तक वो ये realize नहीं करेंगे ना, till the time they are applying, जिनसे उनको जरूरत पड़ती है, जब तक वो उनके साथ ये चीज में टैली नहीं करेंगे, वो आपके साथ टैली नहीं कर पाएंगे. So summing down the line, they will be having the same you are having with them. Suppose you are at 1 rupee and they are at 5 rupees, so you need them right now. So they being at 5, they'll be needing somebody who is at 10 rupees. So when they approach them, and they will also be the same way how they are being with you, they will realize that technology के हिसाब से meeting करना, giving permission to meet, and all the things that you are facing right now, they will be facing with their upline. So gradually उनके blood में ये आएगा. They will understand the value of you as they will understand their value for yourself. So relax, take it easy, and what Anandji said is very right. If you can give them some schemes, some offers, that will add on. But be patient. Gradually, everybody in this world will understand the value of technology.
Will work. Sorry, interrupting you. But freebies
they will definitely work. No, they will definitely work. That is the only reason I said.
देखो Indians free में ही काम करते हैं राहुल. समझ रहे हो? आज भी मैं वेबिनार देख रहा हूँ ना, पहला मैं फेसबुक में जाके वेबिनार करता हूँ, मेरी बात कर रहा हूँ. मैं इतना पागल, इतना सब कुछ होने के बाद भी मैं फ्री देखता हूँ. Is this going to go? This going go to influence?
Just starting to the point, if you permission.
But one thing is for sure.
अभिजीत जी का कोई
I think
अभिजीत का please give a chance to everybody actually.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'll just finish myself. Everybody somewhere down the line will realize the importance of what Anand is saying, and definitely technology. So give it easy, take it easy. Don't get disheartened. At the same time, try to give some freebies, as what Anandji said. But take it easy. Things will fall into your place.
Next
I'm
question.
100% sure.
Yeah, thank you, Vikas ji. Thank you,
Yeah,
Amitabh ji.
adding-
Thank you, Anand ji.
Can I
we
add
add
some
Mr.
points?
Mr. Abhijit, can you just put the question to audience?
Yeah, Abhijit ji.
अभिजीत जी आपने रेज किया हुआ है, हैंड रेज किया हुआ है, अपना अनम्यूट करके क्वेश्चन कीजिए। डॉक्टर अभिजीत
From Mumbai.
हाँ बोलिए अभिजीत जी।
मुझको सर का नंबर चाहिए था, वो मिल गया है अभी, अभी तो कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है।
ओके
अच्छा ठीक है। Pankaj ji, are you there? Pankaj ji.
Yeah, I'm here, sir. I'm listening, sir. I'm listening. Very wonderful discussion. This Anand ji really had very insightful discussion, very practical insights. So I can only say thank you so much for excellent session, Anand ji. Thank you so much.
Anytime.
Anytime, sir. Anytime, sir.
Got any questions, you can always ask me, Pankaj bhai.
Yeah, thank you so much. You are
Just
based in
adding-
Mumbai.
Just adding to the points which Anand and Vikas has said to Rahul, I am from the e-commerce, e-financial advisory business. So we do everything totally virtually. We have been closing the deals off and on virtually only. Rarely we meet people face to face. हमारा क्या था कि भी हम लोग फ्री में काम करते नहीं है, एडवांस लेके काम करते हैं। एडवांस कोई न्यूबी को देने को तैयार नहीं है, फ्रीबी में करोगे तो फिर मार खाओगे। तो उसके लिए हमने क्या किया कि हमने मार्केटिंग इतनी तगड़ी कर दी, किसी को भी जरूरत है तो फिर वो आप हमारे पास ही आना है।
बराबर।
फेसबुक, ट्विटर, लिंक्डइन, वीडियोस बना के यूट्यूब, सब जगह हमने मार्केटिंग की। द क्रक्स इज वेयर इट पिंचेस द मोस्ट टू द कस्टमर्स इज वेयर यू हैव टू पिंच इट एंड देन दे विल कम टू यू। इंश्योरेंस में आपने एग्जांपल लिया, इंश्योरेंस में उनकी नस पकड़ो कि भाई तुम्हारा बेटा बीमार पड़ जाए तो तुम कहाँ जाओगे, पैसा तो चाहिए तुम्हें, वही फंडा लगाना पड़ता है यार, तो फिर काम ही नहीं चलता। फ्रीबीज तुम दोगे तो वही है, 40 मिनट्स का दो, 1 घंटे का मत दो, 30 मिनट का मत दो। एक सेशन से दूसरे सेशन जाएगा तो फिर सर रोड़ा लगेगा।
Okay, good, nice point.
Any other questions?
any other question please?
Sir,
I would like
myself
to-
architect, sir.
Yeah, Raj Tilak, please.
Yes, sir. Myself architect from Chennai, sir.
tell
Due
me.
to this COVID-19,
Yeah.
we are facing a lot of problems in getting the projects from the client, and also payment. If we get the projects, also payment, there will be a lot of problem in getting the payment, and also the GST is another trouble. So if we do free, we will be in the full loss because it is so
Sir, I'll
how
tell you
to
what.
get the clients?
I think Ishmael, who was there, na, other line, yeah, he gave a very good thing. You can brand very nicely. See what idea technical is today, people don't know you, correct? So if I don't know you, I cannot transact any business with you, correct? I might be a potential client, I might be a good client for you, but then problem is if I don't know you, how can I trust on you? And my payments also I will try to delay, or I will try to have a different transaction. Having said that, what you could do is you can brand yourself in such a beautiful way. You could also hire a lot of people who are into the social media kind of a marketing, who will really help you to take your brand to the next level. There's a lot of SEO kind of website marketing and things like that.
Influential marketing.
Actually, people try to understand your brand first before that. So it reaches before you reach the customer. That's very important. So hammering is required. Nowadays, people are on social media for more time. If you look at after lockdown, post-COVID and a lot of things, people are spending more time on the social media. Initially, they were doing more on the TV and other part also. But now, since the traveling is minused, they are not going to the work regularly, or they are doing from home from work and things like that. So people are able to access Facebook. That's what somebody said very clearly, that Facebook marketing is the ideal solution for today. So technologically, again, we are coming to the platform of technology. So either you can go for LinkedIn kind of a model where you look at corporates and different kind of people, or you can go for a Facebook kind of a model where you have an interaction session. You have a beautiful platform of YouTube also. You can canvas it on a different levels, different video graphics and things like that. So we've got different platforms on a digital mode which will help you. So try, I think, one by one on a weekly basis, probably that can give you a different way. Yeah.
Shall I add?
Sir, I would
Thank
like
you,
to
sir.
talk.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you.
Hello.
Deepak ji.
Yeah.
I would like to talk, sir. Anand sir.
हाँ बोलिए.
This is Chiku
हाँ
from
चिकू
Pune.
भाई बोलो ना.
हाँ जी. Last time, sir, आपने बोले थे मुझे,
हाँ.
you just tell client that you are there for him.
हाँ.
And today it really worked, sir. And that's what I was about to tell to Raj Tilak. I am also interior designer.
Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely.
आज हाँ जी, आज client ने बोला मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है. I said it's okay. जहाँ तक मेरा capacity, I will go and work for you.
Correct.
He said, okay, I will release 50%.
See, if you're dealing with an intangible product, you have to sell yourself first. Something like insurance है, mutual fund है, ये सब दिखता नहीं है. See, these are all not seen. But some designing part, जैसा interior designing हो गया या कोई भी आपका software हो गया, जो दिखता है, that is a tangible product. Tangible product में आपको trust जल्दी पकड़ सकता है. Intangible में एक थोड़ा problem है. Finance में I don't understand faster, right? Finance I need to really have a trust. तो पहले आपको build करना पड़ता है, फिर उसके बाद आपका idea को build करना पड़ता है, उसके बाद आपको आपकी product को build करना पड़ता है.
Correct.
And in terms of I think Chiku, I think you've rightly said that you have that's very important. आपको अपने आप को रखना पड़ेगा पहले. Yeah. Ravi,
Yes,
you have some.
because last it was your guidance.
अच्छा, thank you Chiku. That's what. Thank you. I'm happy. मेरा course enroll कर लो और क्या. I'm just joking.
Definitely.
Yeah. Anybody has got more questions? I think Ravi. Overall session was good. Yeah, you can rate.
Session was good. Can you WhatsApp that PPT file, sir? It would be useful.
PPT के लिए मैं रोकड़ा लेता हूँ, अमिताभ.
Raj, we will share the video. You will get some crisp spot.
That is the reason I told you to write it down. You remember properly. I said, please record. We are not going to share because ये क्या है ना, ये PPT दूंगा तो भी समझ में नहीं आएगा unless until you go and work on that.
That is true, sir. I didn't record it, sir. So if you can WhatsApp the people.
My per PPT cost you 2,000 rupees.
Oh.
Raj, don't worry. We will get the recording.
Absolutely. Recording मिल जाएगा.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other thing apart from that?
Yeah, Soumya, you want to talk something?
So I want to ask everyone that do you like to have these kind of sessions more? Not from me, at least from the group also, but like this kind of session is going to help out? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Absolutely, yes. This will help and this will motivate us in a long way, sir.
Yeah. Thanks, Krishnan.
Obviously, this is needed. Rahul, this side, this is needed, and this motivates us at a larger level.
Okay. Trying to get new ideas. Yeah.
Thank you.
Raj, मैं थोड़ा सा ऐड करूंगा इसमें. जैसे आप फ्रीबी की बात कर रहे हैं, फ्रीबी एक ना देकर हम जैसे सर्विस इसमें इंटीरियर्स की अगर मैं पर्टिकुलर बात करूं, वी आर आल्सो फ्रॉम इंटीरियर्स, वी कैन ऐड गिव द वैल्यू टू द कस्टमर. Yeah, we can regularly give the some value, means create some videos and share them to them for to customers. I will give you a few example on WhatsApp. You can just review that. You can get some idea on that. So you have to first engage the customer actually.
You have to take them into confidence.
Right. You have to build the confidence.
You have to build the confidence, and really it worked today for me.
Right.
Last time Anand sir had told me that you just show them that you are there for them, and it really worked for me today.
It's really work. Actually, this line is more than sufficient.
आनंद जी, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था.
बोलिए ना.
कि आपका ये 40 मिनट्स का जो भी प्रेजेंटेशन रियली सुपर्ब था, तो अगर 40 मिनट्स में इतना मैं सीख रहा हूँ, तो अगर मैं आपको पेड में कर रहा हूँ, तो उसमें मेरे को क्या क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट्स हो सकती है? तो उसमें कुछ आप थोड़ा सा शेयरिंग बता सकते हो?
That's what I'm telling you. पर्सनल कोचिंग की हम बात करते हैं ना, आपको क्या एरिया में इंप्रूव करना है ना, पहले वो आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए. वेदर यू वांट टू रियली ग्रो अप योर लीडरशिप प्रोग्राम, या आपको अपना कम्युनिकेशन बढ़ाना है, या आपको टीम हैंडलिंग करना है, या आपको फाइनेंस में चेंज करना है, मार्केटिंग में करना है, सेल्स. देयर आर डिफरेंट एरियाज एंड डिफरेंट फंक्शंस, राइट? सो आपको रियली आइडेंटिफाई,
वो आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए आप हेल्प करोगे?
हाँ, एब्सोल्युटली. आई कैन गिव यू अ क्वेश्चनर व्हिच विल हेल्प यू टू डू दैट. ओके. नॉर्मली हम लोग ऐसे ही करते हैं, कंसल्टिंग करते हैं, या किसी का भी कुछ अगर उनको मालूम नहीं, बहुत लोगों को मालूम नहीं पड़ता है कि क्या एग्जैक्टली करना है, तो उनका करंट प्लेटफॉर्म जो है या करंट उनका जो एरिना है, वो हिसाब से हम लोग वी कैन डिवाइड सम प्रोग्राम. अभी मेरा और अमिताभ का बात हो रहा था. इनफैक्ट आई वाज टॉकिंग टू दीपक एंड रितेश आल्सो कि सम कॉमन प्रोग्राम्स वी विल बी गिविंग इट एब्सोल्युटली, यू नो, लाइक हम लोग कॉमनली करेंगे कि जो भी कॉमन प्रोग्राम जैसा टाइम मैनेजमेंट हो गया, स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मैनेजमेंट हो गया, दिस फॉर द एंटायर ग्रुप. ऐसे ऐसे जो टॉपिक्स है ना, दैट वी विल बी टेकिंग इट ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस. दीपक आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू सजेशन. इट्स जस्ट अ
राइट
सजेशन.
एब्सोल्युटली. इवन अगर किसी और को भी कुछ टॉपिक डिस्कस करना है तो आप शेयर करिए, देखते हैं उसको कैसे लेके आएंगे प्लेटफॉर्म पे.
Absolutely. I think most of them, I request them to share the topics. We are also talking to the industry experts. Some topics like technical topic अगर कुछ होगा तो we can call the industry expert also. Of course, that will be a paid version. But हम चाहते हैं कि आपको बेनिफिट ज्यादा मिले, क्योंकि ये फोरम ऐसा इतना अच्छा बनाया है कि बेनिफिट जितना लेंगे हमको ज्यादा है. Because it's not that I'm going to keep on repeatedly saying it. ना, मेरे को भी टाइम नहीं है उतना. I've got other things to do. But definitely I would love to be a part of it because I'm also learning a lot of new things from new people. So अगर आपको कोई भी टॉपिक्स लगता है कि दिस टॉपिक इज गोइंग टू एंटायरली हेल्प द एंटायर मासेस, दैट यू कैन ऑलवेज पुट फॉरवर्ड. बट अगर स्पेसिफिक आपको टॉपिक्स चाहिए जो जो लगता है आपको कि मेरे लिए चाहिए, एग्जैक्टली आपके लिए पर्सनली चाहिए, तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली कॉल मी, मैसेज मी, एंड यू नो यू कैन हैव इन टच विद मी. I will help you out. Don't worry. Anybody, not only for a particular person. Anybody.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Anybody has got any questions? It's 9:05 now.
Exactly 1 hour now.
1 hour हो गया. मेरे को डर लग रहा था कि ज्यादा लंबा तो नहीं होगा, थोड़ा मैं फास्ट भी बीच में गया तो उसके लिए मैं रुका भी कि बराबर ताकि नहीं. ओके,
एक बार हम नए मेंबर से इंट्रोडक्शन कर लें क्या? अगर
हाँ, राइट. Soumya, can you just introduce the group you have brought, and Rahul ji, we can just get the introduction done.
Yeah. Hi. This is Rahul. I'm from Pune, and there is a shortage of light here, so please adjust my videos. So I deal in B2C, e-commerce, and mobile applications. That is my specialty.
Right.
And I run a company in Pune itself. I'm handling 10 to 12 people right now, and I'm doing it from last 10 years. Right now, my challenges are, as my previous questions also and today's questions also, finding the funds and beating the competition, or raising in the competition. So all these sessions are really helpful, and thank you very much, you guys, for admitting me. Thank you. That's my intro.
And
Bhavesh Shah. या भावेश आप प्लीज अनम्यूट कर लीजिए अपने आप को. मिस्टर सुनील पसिचा. विवेक जी, मिस्टर विवेक.
हेलो.
या अभिजीत जी.
हाँ, मैं डॉक्टर अभिजीत सायंबर, एमडी डॉक्टर हूँ. चेस्ट फिजिशियन और फिजिशियन बोल के काम करता हूँ मैं. आई वर्क एज फिजिशियन एंड चेस्ट फिजिशियन. आई हैव डन माय एमडी फ्रॉम CGS मेडिकल कॉलेज मुंबई, and I worked in Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital, Mumbai. I have worked as a professor for MBBS and MD students. So this is my introduction. I'm looking for a good winning social media team.
Great, sir. गोपाल अग्रवाल जी, अनम्यूट कर लीजिए. इस्माइल जी.
हेलो एवरीवन.
अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे दीजिए प्लीज. योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर.
Mohammad Ismail. I'm a structural engineer by profession. Yes sir.
वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही. सॉरी, आपका वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है. आप कमेंट इसमें कमेंट बॉक्स में डाल दीजिए अपना इंट्रोडक्शन प्लीज.
हाँ, I think the best strategy, people are not the audio video clear. They can put into the slide, so that will take care of that.
गोपाल जी, आपने अनम्यूट किया था, अनम्यूट करके बता दीजिए अपना.
मैं अभी चैट में डाल रहा हूँ. एक्चुअली वॉइस मुझे आप लोगों की आ नहीं रही है क्लियरली.
आपकी अभी क्लियर आ रही है. ठीक है, डाल दीजिए, कोई इशू नहीं. मंजीत सिंह जी. मंजीत जी.
मंजीत जी
सो गए?
कहाँ है? He was there just now.
No, his video is on, but he's
हाँ,
stand still.
बबर अग्रवाल जी, सबाजी,
I hope Manjeet ji is doing well. He's just stand still over there.
वीडियो स्टिल हो गई एक्चुअली कुछ।
हाँ, मंजीत जी, हेलो महाराज, की हालचाल? He stands still. I hope he's okay.
No, he's okay. I think it's some video link problem. अच्छा
भंवर जी आप बता दीजिए।
भंवर जी, can you speak, sir? Mr. भंवर अग्रवाल जी।
ओके,
एनर्जी लेवल has gone down.
अमिताभ जी, अगर कुछ आता है चैट बॉक्स पे तो ओके, एंड वी शुड conclude with the message and introduction, group purposes. Okay.
Yeah, we actually we are thankful to everybody and all the participants, and it's a heartful thankful gesture to everybody. We are privileged that today we have crossed a benchmark for entire community. We are now 1,000 people community, and I'm personally thanking the core team and all the regular participants that we had a fantastic and mind-blowing session today. Courtesy Anand sir. And I do hope that we will have a regular series of webinars coming up. We have planned a lot. We have panel discussions, forums coming up in future. So we all require your support to grow. And gesture is that we feel that we can do something which is going to be big in our industry. And can I add one more topic? That entrepreneurship is an ecosystem. एंटरप्रेन्योर वही होता है जो इश्यूज को समझता है, अपनी पहचान बनाता है, अपने जो मुश्किलों को, हालात को समझता है, आगे बढ़ता है. So we all are entrepreneurs. We are proud of our own professions, whichever fields we are, and we do believe that we share the same passion. We are the passion-trainer group. We actually want to do something which is something universal. That अगर किसी को मुश्किल हो, तकलीफ हो, कोई भी हो, कोई भी इशू हो, this is the right forum, this is the right place to interact, get the solution done. हम लोग का एक ही उद्देश्य है कि सबको सॉल्यूशंस मिले, सबको सलाह मिले, सबकी जो इश्यूज हैं we can address how much possible from our end. We have so many experts in the meeting and are talking together at giving their precious time, and I'm thankful and very much grateful to every one of you. Thanks a lot Anand ji, Deepak ji, Ritesh ji, Vikas ji, everybody from my heart, sir. Gopal ji, would you like to introduce yourself? You just joined late. Gopal Agarwal ji, can you just unmute the mic and finish the things?
उन्होंने मैसेज पे डाल दिया, शायद वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है.
हाँ, he has done it. So we are not covered, and I think
I request everyone means अपना नंबर थोड़ा सा डाल दीजिए. न्यू मेंबर्स हैं, एक बार अपना नंबर जरूर कमेंट बॉक्स पे डाल दीजिए.
सर मुझे खाली एक बात पूछनी थी. मैं ग्रुप 3 में हूँ सर, आपके साथ विकास चावला बोल रहा हूँ. मुझे खाली आपके बाकी ग्रुप्स में जो इन्फॉर्मेशन और मैसेज आते हैं, हमारे ग्रुप में भी सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन मैसेज हैं, और there are different type of interaction with each group of all the core team I'm talking of.
Deepak ji, can you address this? Because Deepak ji, Ritesh ji, can you address it?
सर सेम मैसेज है, क्योंकि हम मेजरली मीटिंग्स का फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं, तो अब सब जगह एक ही मैसेज जा रहा है, कोई डिफरेंट मैसेज नहीं जा रहा है.
Okay, thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you. And hopefully everybody's queries have been answered.
We would like to connect other participants, sir, who are like our community, like interior designers, sir. As we are a professional structural designers, sir. So how we can connect each other, sir?
You can benefit. I am sharing continue a Facebook link, but no one is ready to accept this link. If you want to connect through all the groups, you can just go come on our Facebook page. So that will be better actually. So
सर एक बार ग्रुप में Facebook लिंक वापस डाल दीजिएगा. I will immediately join it, sir, please.
हर ग्रुप में मेरे ख्याल से डाला हुआ है.
कंटिन्यू डाल रहा हूं मैं, कंटिन्यू
करके आप ज्वाइन कर लीजिए.
यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, WhatsApp में लिमिटेशंस है, तो Facebook में सारे एक साथ जुड़ के रह सकते हैं. So that is our idea.
प्लीज एक बार लिंक फिर से भेज दीजिएगा प्लीज.
हाँ, one more, can I just with all permission group, can we do a program on Facebook, because that will go our reach to a bigger platform, because we have been doing in Zoom, so a lot of people have reservation in Zoom or Microsoft Teams and all. So if you go to Facebook Live, I think that live session will help all of us. So that is a thought I had an idea. So I just put into the team, and I believe that if all the participants agree, we can have in future this kind of sessions in Facebook Live, right, sir?
I agree with you. Facebook Live will be much more reachable. Thank you.
Bigger audience.
Yeah.
Bigger audience. And we are, I think we can take it forward from there. And
actually, Facebook Live.
Any suggestion from the group? Any kind of active suggestion?
Advice means.
Yeah, Deepak ji, please.
Zoom से भी हम Facebook Live पे जा सकते हैं ना?
Yeah, we can do that. The only thing is there is restriction in participants in Zoom.
चलो ये देखते हैं, वर्कआउट करके देखते हैं.
That will discuss, Deepak. और कोई कुछ बोलना चाहता है, सजेशन देना चाहता है, हम कैसे इम्प्रूव करें, आगे कैसे बढ़ सकते हैं, कोई और कुछ शेयर करना चाहता है, उनका खुद का अगर कुछ आइडिया है, कुछ स्किल्स शेयर करना चाहते हैं, कुछ बिजनेस आइडिया शेयर करना चाहते हैं, तो दे कैन कम फॉरवर्ड एंड वी आर फ्री टू टॉक, प्लीज.
So we will close now.
Yeah.
And I just request the core committee to just stay so that we can wind up the proceedings. And other members, if they are willing to leave, they can leave now. Right now. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Anand ji, nice session. Really enjoyed the session. I'll be calling you soon, Anand ji. Bye. God bless.
Thank you, Vikas ji. Take care. Bye.
God
Thank
bless.
you, Anand ji.
God bless you.
Thank you, Anand ji. Thank you.
Thanks,
Bye.
Rahul.
Thank you, Anand ji. It was a nice session. I really enjoyed it. It was very inspiring. Thank you very much, Anand ji.
Thank you. Take care. Bye. All the best.
Thank you. Unstoppable team.
Amitabh.